Last week we celebrated all our learning in our Reader's Celebration. Today we are starting a new unit. We will be digging deeper into books. Today I'm going to teach you about characters. Over the last 2 months of school, we've read a lot of books together. And one of the books that we've read is Pete the Cat Out of This World. So let's talk a little bit more about characters. As I just said, characters can be people, animals, or things. In the Pete the Cat book, the characters happen to be cats. In our story, Mercy the Pig, you have characters that are animals, Mercy, and you also have people that are characters, Mr. and Mrs. Watson. Okay, so characters can be anything, could be any animal, any object, or any person. Characters can talk. So in the story of Pete the Cat, Pete did a lot of talking. Characters are usually the animal or the object that talks in the story. Characters are who the story is about. So in the Pete the Cat story, the story is about Pete the Cat. So Pete is one of the characters. And last, characters can change. They can either change how they look, or they can change how they think. So a character can change what they're wearing in a story, or they may change how they think about something. So maybe in a story you have a character that doesn't like dogs at the beginning, but by the end of the story they like dogs. So this is the chart that we just talked about together, and you will be getting a copy of this chart to put into your Anchor Chart book later this week. Your next assignment will be to watch the story of Chicken Little. And I have linked your activity for you in your Seesaw account. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the story of Chicken Little by Sally Hobson. You're going to draw a picture of the characters of Chicken Little. You may go back into the video if you need to, and be ready to talk to me about your favorite character during our reading conference. The link to watch the video is embedded into your Seesaw assignment, and if you're not sure of the directions, you can play them here. So remember that today and every day when you're reading a book, look at your book and identify who the characters are.